That's a great question. You want to take more money home from your small business, there's really two approaches. First, make more profit, or second, use less cash in the business so there's more cash left over to take home. Let's talk about the first one first. So to make your business more profitable so that you can take home more salary, first, be sure that your salary is included in your forecasts and budgets. If you're not planning for your salary, there's no chance that you're going to take more home. So give yourself a raise in the future by putting it in the budget. Second, make sure that your overhead is at the right size. So many people build overhead, they have beautiful offices, they have lots of staff, whatever it might be. That overhead is sucking the cash and sucking the profit right out of your business. And if your sales were to drop and your overhead stays the same, you know who takes the hit? It's you. You're going to take home less cash because you're going to continue to pay the overhead. The third is to make sure you're plugging any leaks. If you've got bad debt or slow paying customers, you've got to solve those problems first. I'll tell you what, one year I had $150,000 worth of bad debt. Do you think I took anything home that year? Not very much. All right, let's talk about using less cash. So the business has what's called a cash cycle. Every business has cash stored in the business in the form of AR and inventory and payroll that's due, those sorts of things. So if you can begin to understand your cash cycle and reduce your uses of cash, such as whittling down the amount of inventory you hold, there's going to be more cash available in the business. And if you've slowed it down permanently, you can start taking that cash out of the business for yourself. A couple of ways to do that. We already said whittle down your inventory. Also, get terms with your key vendors. So look at who you're spending money with and see if you can't negotiate 30, 60, 90-day terms, payment terms for those vendors. When you do that, that 30, 60, or 90 days worth of cash stays in your bank account, right? And over time, it pools. It's a reservoir of cash that you can begin taking home for yourself. If you don't have a credit card, make sure you get a credit card. Credit cards automatically string out your vendor payments by 30 days, right? So that cash is preserved and available for you to take home. So make yourself more profitable by plugging the holes. Make yourself cash flow better. Speed up your cash flow cycle by whittling down inventory, negotiating with vendors, and understanding where the cash is in your cycle. Collecting more quickly, of course, is the AR side of that cash cycle. Bring home the money, keep it for yourself, use a credit card, and slow pay everybody else. You'll have more at the end of the year for yourself.